How many of you, when you talk, you want people's 100% attention? How many of you give that attention to others? I just thought from perspective of aligning people, when actually the way you're communicating, if people are not aligned, the problem you'll face is no matter what you do. And whenever I'll talk in terms of examples of family, I'll talk examples of your job, because for me both are equally important. One without other will not work. So my examples will go in that direction. So before I go, I thought I'll show a small clipping of a video, and then let's start from there.
Circle, coaster, coin, cake, Madison Square Garden, ball, basketball, volleyball, tetherball.
Time.
Oh man, come on, girls.
Neptune.
Yeah, kind of obvious. Squiggly lines, dark spot, arrows. And go.
A TV. A box fan. A microwave. Yes! Yes, perfect!
All right, man, let's go. We got this. Hopefully you can draw better than you can guess. Some sort of kitchen utensil, cactus, some sort of a pole. I'm totally not getting this. Girls, you may want to jump in because I'm not getting this.
Cactus? No, he said cactus. Is it the Mars rover? Oh, a map of North Dakota. No, South Dakota. Oh, Burger King.
Is it a person?
Wait, is that our mailman?
Why would the Pictionary card tell me to draw our mailman?
Attila the Hun?
Ryan Seacrest.
Cookie Monster?
Mario Lopez.
Oh, I see. It's Darth Vader.
Sometimes your point can be missed no matter how clearly you think you're communicating.
All right. So it's a communication gap, right? If you have kids, you relate every day, right? You say something, your kids exactly understand opposite of what you want them to understand. It is not easy to explain people what you are trying to explain, and that's where the problem comes. Check it out. In your office, you try to pass on an idea and you feel somehow that all are against you. God has luckily created a very beautiful world. Except 10% people who are disturbed in life, 90% people are really great. Trust me, nobody is trying to make any conspiracy against you. Nobody is against you. People are good. They want to help you. Nobody is against your promotion, to be honest. Those 10% people, keep it aside. And those 10% people, you will see everybody have the same opinion about them. And those 10 are easy to identify. In John Maxwell language, it's known as Bob principle. If everybody has a problem with Bob, Bob is the problem.